Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create columns in Canva with all the latest updates for 2025. Whether you're designing a poster, a flyer, or a more complex infographic, knowing how to create columns can help organize your content effectively and elegantly. Let's dive in with some simple steps that you can follow along with. First, open your Canva interface and make sure you're ready to go. Now, press the slash icon on your keyboard. This opens the command search tool, a super helpful feature that allows you to quickly navigate Canva's options. With the command search open, type table. You might be wondering why we're using a table, but it's because tables in Canva provide a flexible, structured grid that helps organize your content into neat rows and columns. Look for the option titled To Column and click on it. This instantly gives you a simple two-column structure that's perfect for side-by-side comparisons, text and image pairings, or dual content sections. Once the two-column table is in place, you can adjust the width of the columns. Simply click and drag to modify the size based on your specific design needs, whether you need more space for text or larger images. Next, consider the spacing and background colors of your columns. Canva lets you customize these elements, so feel free to play around with colors and spacing to align with your design theme or branding. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, using the keyboard shortcut, typing table, and selecting the two-column option, you've learned how to create columns in Canva effortlessly. Columns can be a powerful tool to organize and enhance your designs, so don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more equipped to handle your next Canva project.